Happy birthday, Pijel! Birthday na ni Pijel! Birthday na ni Pijel! Birthday ni Pijel! Ngayon! Gan! Gan nakalak! Nakalak!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Nasaan yung bird?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Pijel! Happy birthday! 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2. Kaya kasama siya na. 1, 2, 3.
Kasama rin si Panda.
Isa pa. Paganto na. Oh, blow na. Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Yay! Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Isa pa. Isa pang kiss. One more kiss. Woo! One more kiss. One more kiss. One more kiss. Woo! Malaki binayad daw sa pants. Meet your mom. Meet your mom.
تدريجي بس عندي شغله اقول لك اياها يعني احنا صايمين
الله كريم
والله كريم
Panda wants to meet. Tuloy ang karaoke. You can dance, you can jive, bending the time of the light. Watch that scene. Ibang version. Alam mo na nga tayo nakatulog. Ha? Sa kanya. Battery ba yan, girl? Battery? Dati natin yan.
There's no tomorrow. I know Kapit makapanyang pre. Kaya hindi na. Kaya hindi na. Abi, kasi tao.
Quick lady came to my heart. I should have known this time. Goodbye, quick lady came to my heart.
Ano naman may konti? Baby, just let me down. Let's leave around and the world's around. So give me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. I need you. All that let the sun. Give me a buttercup, don't break my heart. So give me parang may ano ng aso eh, no?
So let me know. I must be isn't that true? Always pretend to keep me. Why don't we for all these expectations that can never be home? Why do we take each other for everything we are? A little life for
You got to love me for what I am.
for simply being me.
Don't love me
Would you attend or hope that I would be? And if you miss me, if you're honest, you really ain't in love. So let me know.
Buti na lang taga kaila Ernesto pala yan. Buti may kasabay na. Paano yung kusol? Baka makarating ng ano yan ang usapak. Happy Happy birthday, Michelle!
Nangyari, Mike? Pangalan,
You're singing.
Marikoy! Huwag ka na maya! Kunin mo na yung gusto mo!
Karong kuneta.
Ala, ikaw na kuha ko. Nahiya pa siya, nahiya pa.
ito nga dito lang training.
Ayoko yung training kasi kumain na ako ng marami.
Parikoy!
Mahirap pa i-vlog.
Nakaya naman Parikoy. Parikoy na kaya.
Bigyan mo ako ng isa.
Magbitbit ka ng cake.
Sarap ng puto.
Paano yung pagkain ng puso?
Uy! Inubos pa! Uy! 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 Inubos mo! Ay, hindi. Lapit mo na eh.
Balutin mo.
Tsaka niya, pre.
Ano yun?
Magbitbit ka ng
Traditional
cake.
dito.
Ayan na.
Everyone, let us sing a birthday song to Madam since today is her birthday.
Birthday.
Ikaw kay Panda.
Ay, kuya.
Wala ka na
Wala
mag-slide.
ka na wala kaya?
Bata ka dito, traditional kuya. Sir.
Marami tayo dyan, friends.
To you.
Yeah, for the love.
To you. Happy birthday. So, ano yung isa kuya?
Last song.
Again, balik. Balik kuya. The other one, ito next.
Resibo ka.
Yan. Oh, next. Oh,
Humingi ka kay Axel, ha?
yan. Okay, everybody. Sino ba na mo? Huwag ka muna mag-isip. To
Pag may
you.
capture yung pagkain.
Okay lang yun. Nakakatuwa nga eh.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, madam, happy birthday. Now let's hear a message coming from the husband. Go, sir. Message mo kay ma'am. Go.
Maganda kayo.
Go. Ma'am, nasaan ka?
O yan to, mga message nyo daw
Oh,
para...
next we have, let's hear a message coming from the friends of ma'am. Let's start with you, sir, since you are very much active today.
Thank you!
Go, kuya.
Yeah, go, Obet, Obet.
What's your message?
Message.
Enjoy and have a good day!
Special message to the birthday celebrant.
Message, message.
Message, message.
Oh.
Next after that, no.
What's your message po?
Thank you and have a good day. After that, next.
Okay, next, punta tayo dito, ma'am. What's your message po?
Happy birthday, Ate!
Yeah!
Okay, ikaw po, ma'am.
Yeah!
Okay, wow. Okay, if you're going to give one word to describe a birthday celebrant, what would it be?
Got there.
One more, guess one word.
One more. Okay,
Ay, oh, bravo. Yan, totoo yan. Next, let's hear another from you, ma'am. Beautiful message po. Okay, thank you so much. Now, let's move on to you, sir. What's your message to... Bakit?
Biglang naiyak.
Message po kay ma'am.
Message.
Message po. Ay, ito siya. Oh, next, sir.
Ernesto.
Generous.
Message mo ni ma'am. Anong message mo para sa kanyang birthday ngayon? Okay. Isa, i-post mo lang. Parang ano. Kasi nag-alim tayo. I-post mo lang kasi nag-vlog si sir. Para makita doon. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yun o.
And finally, we have you, sir. Okay.
Alam na niya yun. Hindi, ano talaga, super ano ako sa kanya, thankful. Kasi mabait, saka ano
Yes,
siya.
totoo yan.
Hindi lang siya friend, parang kapatid mo na talaga. So yun lang, stay as you are. Yun lang, stay as you are.
Ay, di na.
Wow.
Ano yun ah? Ano na kami niyan?
Oo.
Wow. Proven and tested by the DTI representative. Okay, next, ma'am. Message po.
Next. Oh, wish. Oh, wish, ate.
Okay, introduction number two. Okay, introduction number two yan. Go. Hoy, dapat ano, sasali yung dalawa. Ay, pati si kuya. Go, da. What do you want?
Hindi makalabas. Hindi makalabas sa sayawan ni Panda.
Pasok!
Dapat talaga si Sir Kuya, ma'am. O, message, ma'am.
Message.
Happy birthday, beautiful inside and out.
Yeah.
Bakit kuya naman?
Beauty from within.
Happy birthday, Pins.
Happy birthday.
Salamat, Shay.
Oh, message ng birthday. Kuya.
Walang ano man. Basta lang.
Okay.
So much joy.
Message.
Now let's hear the response of our birthday celebrant. Let's give a big hand to
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. My final set.
Go, my message. Response.
Nakita niya ako sa sa baba na yung dami. Ano yun ba? May pa-flashback. Kasi nga nakita niya ako sa Baclaran ng Imagine Dancer Bandon.
Alin doon yung white bird? White bird?
Oh my God! Nakita ko yung video. Sabi niya, magaling na varsity. Sawain ko to! Yun! Salamat sa inyo lahat sa pagpunta. Hindi mo ko ko at least nandun kayo. Mga kayo ko sila.
Always welcome.
Mahaba-habang pagsasama.
Sa banda sa labas, sa eskwado nagsasara. Sino tayo magsasara?
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Love you all. Basta dito lang sa atin. Dito lang sa atin. Support sa inyo. Pero ano ba? Yun na yun. Alam yun na yun.
Tumay-continue ka.
Thank you. Thank you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Birthday! Pigeon! Ngayon! Get! Thank you, sis. Sa ano na lang, girl, ha?
Bigyan, thank you ah.
Una na po kami. Picture ba ako? Yan guys, that's our video for today. Salamat sa inyong panonood. Thank you, Pichel. Happy birthday, sis. God bless. Thank you, mga loves. Bye.